The Frog King. At a pond in a deep forest, there was a frog family. Father and mother frogs were singing to their children. The children frogs were playing fun in the pond. They were swimming in the pond and playing hide and seek in the forest. The frog family had fun every day. However, the family had to complain all the time because there was no king who can protect them. One day, the family decided to pray. Please God, let us have a great and charming king. Please listen to our hope. The God listened to the family's hope and gave them a piece of wood. The family was jumped because of the sound of dropping, and they quickly hid. What's that? Maybe that is King from the sky. Father Frog slowly walked towards the piece of wood and then jumped on there. After the father frog jumped, whole family followed him. It is just floating without talk. I don't want a king like this. The frog family did not accept the wood piece as a king. So they decided to pray to the God again. Oh God, I don't like a wood piece. Please send us a strong and charming king. Please let us have a really strong king who can protect us. The God listened to the frog family's hope, and the God sent them a big white stork. When the family saw the great stork, wow, it's really nice, King. The king will be very strong. Family liked the king, so they were very happy. They thought that they can now be snakes in the pond. They were going closer to the king. Oh God! When the family went closer to the king, suddenly the king tried to catch the children frogs with a long beak. The family was so shocked that they were trying to run away. However, they could not avoid the fast king. Barely lived father and mother frogs were regretting and started to cry. Now, the family is crying every day, and the crying never stops.